Before making a purchase decision about Corinthia, there are a few important things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because I'll cover everything from features to performance and give you a comparison with some of its competitors, so you can make a truly informed decision. Plus, I'll share where you can get the best offer to try it out for free. First things first, Corinthia is an all-in-one solution that helps businesses manage operations more efficiently. Its versatility makes it a top choice for companies looking for an integrated platform that covers everything from project management to communication tools. But what sets it apart from the competition? Next, let's talk about the user interface. Unlike other software that can overwhelm you with a cluttered dashboard, Corinthia takes a clean and streamlined approach. The design is intuitive, making it easy for new users to jump in without a steep learning curve. In fact, some of its competitors can feel complex and unintuitive, requiring additional training or resources. Corinthia's simplicity is a game changer, especially if you're short on time. Moving on to features, Corinthia offers a robust set of tools that can meet the needs of most businesses. It includes project tracking, task management, time tracking, and even invoicing, all in one place. But compared to some of its rivals, like Monday.com or Asana, Corinthia's reporting features stand out. Their analytics tools give you deep insights into your business performance with minimal setup. If you've been using another platform, you'll appreciate how easy it is to customize your reports with Corinthia. The next thing you'll want to consider is how well Corinthia integrates with other software. One of the biggest challenges with project management tools is getting everything to sync together, but Corinthia does a fantastic job of integrating with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and even CRM software. This makes collaboration across teams and departments seamless. Some competitors fall short in this area, requiring third-party add-ons or workarounds to get a smooth workflow, but Corinthia handles it natively. Now, let's discuss pricing. While some tools like Trello or ClickUp might offer free versions, they often come with limitations. Corinthia, on the other hand, provides a free trial that lets you test all the premium features before making a commitment. This is a big advantage, especially when you're evaluating other products where the free versions can be significantly more limited. You can get a feel for the platform's full capabilities, and if you decide to stick with it, their pricing is competitive when compared to similar tools. Another factor to consider is customer support. We all know how frustrating it can be to deal with slow or unhelpful customer service, especially when you're paying for software. Corinthia shines in this area with responsive support, and they also offer a rich knowledge base and community forum for self-service troubleshooting. Many competitors don't offer this level of support, or their response times can be sluggish. The fourth thing to mention is scalability. If you're running a small team now but plan to grow, Corinthia is built to scale with you. Unlike some platforms that may require an upgrade to a more expensive plan as your team expands, Corinthia offers flexible pricing and additional features that allow you to scale up without hitting roadblocks. So, whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, you won't outgrow it anytime soon. Lastly, let's talk about security. As businesses handle more sensitive data, security is a top priority. Corinthia uses robust security measures to protect your data, including end-to-end encryption and secure data storage. Compared to some competitors, their security protocols are highly rated, giving you peace of mind that your business information is protected. If you're looking to try out Corinthia, don't forget that you can get the best deal by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll be able to test it for free and even get some exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. To sum it up, Corinthia stands out for its ease of use, strong integrations, deep reporting, competitive pricing, and top-notch customer support. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link in the description to get the best free trial offer and start using it today.